If you already know, the fungus that causes valley fever is naturally found in the dirt and soil right here in Kern County and poses a serious threat to public health. I'm Riley Nagel, your neighborhood reporter, and I'm looking into how it spreads, how to protect yourself, and if wildfires are making it worse.
There's definitely concern around it, and there has been some research going on for a couple of years.
Kimberly Hernandez is the Division Director of Health Services at the Kern County Public Health Department. She says while there's no strong evidence linking wildfires directly to the spread of valley fever, they have seen a concerning pattern among wildland firefighters contracting the disease.
And that appears to be more of a product of the dust-generating, earth-moving, procedures that happen, and things like, making fire breaks and fire lines where you're digging in the dirt.
Hernandez also points to ongoing research into whether wildfire smoke itself might weaken our immune system, making us more vulnerable to the infection.
And we know that valley fever also tends to be sort of an opportunistic infection. And so if your immune system has been lowered because you had to, for whatever reason, breathe this wildfire smoke, it might not be able to fight off, an infection.
The valley fever fungus lives in dry, undisturbed soil, which can be picked up and spread by strong winds.
And that can travel for many miles on the air. And then when people breathe it in, it gets into your lungs, and that's where the infection starts.
Hernandez says around 3,000 people in Kern County are diagnosed with valley fever every year. Key symptoms include a fever and a cough that won't go away, lasting more than 2 weeks.
The other really telltale sign with valley fever is a rash.
In rare cases, about 1%, the infection can spread beyond the lungs, requiring lifelong treatment. But for most people, recovery is possible.
And so we want people to go to their healthcare provider early so that if they do need treatment, that can get started as soon as possible.
Hernandez recommends staying indoors on dusty, windy days and keeping your doors and windows closed. I'm Riley Nagel, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.